So now that we've seen some of the introductory items to Twitter, how can you use this with your students? Well, one way I've shown you is that you can tweet out lots of information. I have linked some of my other accounts to this. So for example, my EduCreations account. And so when I click on that link that's in there, it actually takes students to a help screen that helps them with some of their homework. And so if I just pause this for a moment, what you'll see is that as I write, people would talk. I have the audio turned off, but it gives me a chance to get information from lots of different places and send that information out to my students. But we also use it by creating hashtags that my students can follow. So for example, the hashtag RLFun is one that we used when we went to Hershey Park for amusement park physics. So if I click on that, what will happen is that it brings up everybody's tweets who was using that hashtag, and you'll notice that we went on May 8th, and in this case my students were tweeting out information, and then they were not only using the hashtag so that we could bring all the information together, but they also used the hashtag to indicate what unit it was. And so in this case they think that the pendulum swings back and forth for this particular ride, and that's harmonic motion. Newton's third law, feeling the same force in the equal and opposite reaction when they hit the bumper cars. So very often when we go on a field trip, we will actually search for, or we will set up a hashtag. When we went to the International Science Fair, we did RLISEF, and again I can find my students who are sending tweets out about the things that were happening as they were happening, and when we get back we can sort of go back and see what the day looked like and all the activities that the students were able to do.